Have you ever had one of those days where you just feel exhausted as you try to make it through another workday and you feel like you need a bit of a productivity boost? All of us have, and I'm sure we've more than likely come to caffeine at one time or another for help. My name is Brandon Bowie and I'm a student at the UAMS College of Pharmacy, and this video is going to be about caffeine. A little bit more about caffeine. Caffeine is an over-the-counter stimulant agent used in the restoration of wakefulness or mental awareness. In other words, you'll be able to be productive again. Caffeine is commonly found in tablets, solutions, and injections. It is sold under various brand names, some of which include Keep Alert, NoDoz Maximum Strength, Stay Awake Maximum Strength, Vivarin, and as a generic. These tablets are sold over-the-counter for oral use at a strength of 200 milligrams. Over-the-counter dosing for caffeine is typically 100 to 200 milligrams every 3 to 4 hours as needed. Again, these tablets are often used to restore wakefulness and alertness and can be taken by themselves. We often see caffeine mixed in various beverages that we drink, like coffee, soda, but at lower doses. These also come in drinks with higher caffeine strengths. Drinks can contain varying amounts of caffeine. For instance, a Monster Energy or Red Bull drink comes with 80 milligrams of caffeine, yet a 5-hour energy comes with 215 milligrams. On the other hand, an espresso shot contains 64 milligrams of caffeine in a fluid ounce. It's important to limit caffeine-containing beverages or foods and not exceed the maximum amount of caffeine while taking supplemental caffeine tablets. As far as side effects go, as a trade-off for your increased alertness, caffeine can also cause side effects like agitation, dizziness, headache, irritability, restlessness, or increased heart rate. It will also make you urinate a lot because it acts like a diuretic, which makes your kidneys produce more urine. This medication should be used with caution in individuals with anxiety, cardiovascular disease, and seizure disorder, as the side effects can have more severe consequences. Caffeine can affect the metabolism of other medications, so be sure to check in with your pharmacist or doctor about any potential drug interactions with your other medications. Caffeine should also be used with caution in pregnancy and can cause problems with blood pressure and affect fetal birth weight. For pregnancy, the safe dose is 200 milligrams per day. Another special population to note are those who undergo dental treatments while taking caffeine. There are some reports of fast heartbeat, palpitations, and high blood pressure. Patients with dental treatments or those who are currently pregnant who are also taking caffeine should talk to their doctor or pharmacist today and let them know what medications they are currently taking. You're recommended to discontinue or talk to your doctor or pharmacist right away if you experience symptoms such as face swelling, wheezing, rash, hives, or shortness of breath. Symptoms like these can possibly indicate a severe allergic reaction. Do not give this drug to a child younger than 12 years of age. In summary, caffeine is an over-the-counter agent used to restore mental alertness. This is generally a safe medication to take and should be taken at the recommendation of the package insert for the products you are taking, or unless your doctor or pharmacist says otherwise. If you have any other questions regarding this medication, talk to your doctor or pharmacist today.
This information is provided for public education purposes only and is not intended to substitute for a manufacturer's directions or consultation with a licensed pharmacist or healthcare professional. All medication, including those available over the counter, can be harmful if not used as directed, and taking more than one medication could result in harmful drug interactions. Please consult a licensed pharmacist or healthcare professional before taking any medication or changing an already approved or prescribed medication plan.